Folks, uh-oh, he's back at the table. What's going on? We wanted to show you our latest 2 estate sale finds. Did okay. Thought you might want to see. Right here on my take on home and garden. So folks, we had 2 estate sales. We looked up in the paper and found out they were pretty close, so we hit them strategically one after another. One, I thought we walked into the Ritz-Carlton with the prices. we couldn't touch anything. You see, this isn't a braggadocious show. This is a telling you like it is. We couldn't touch anything in the house, what they wanted. They had incredible Oriental black lacquer furniture, desks and end tables. The prices were sky high. Even the second day at 25% off at this particular sale. Not down to earth for us. Now, we did pull off a couple of things out of there though. So I gotta share and show that. You know, we just did our blue and white with the fireplace, and I can't believe it. We talk about karma and using the power of positive thinking. I talked to a lot of you about that. We use it and actually believe in it. Now you can call it help from God, you can call it the universe, whatever you want to call it. It's still a power of positive thinking. So here's a fine example of the power of positive thinking and how we seem to be able to use it. Just did the blue and white, dying to find a big, substantial piece for the hearth on the fireplace. Couldn't find it. And I wasn't going to overpay. So, like I said, we couldn't afford anything in the house, so we went outside and there was some, old plants and pots, and they had price tags on them and nobody cleaned them up. Angela brought my attention to this one, brought it over. I brought it home. Now, if you look for something this big, they start at $79 and they can go up. Okay? This is extra nice, blue and white, in the Oriental fashion. We got this, guys, for $15. I was thrilled with that. And then here, if there wasn't another one, well, okay, what's the big deal? Well, let me tell you, you're not going to find this in Ross or any discount joint. It's signed on the bottom. It looks hand work. Look at this bottom work. It's very unusual. Extra heavy, dense, really nice. Even the interior is glazed. Okay. This is a collector piece and a real artsy piece. $5, guys. $5. We'll take it. Now, to stay on that same estate sale, we had Mr. Cool Oriental Serpent. He's made out of like a pot metal. He's got a real cool patina because he was outside and getting humidity and so on. And I call him like a serpent. He could be almost a seahorse, but he's just extra cool. $5 after the discount, guys. Loved him, for our Oriental stuff. Then they did have a little bit of glass at the second sale. Now I gotta tell it again real quick. I had already been to this one and was pulling my usual wait for half price stunt. Now, it wasn't half price, but it was, again, 25% off. So I still did really good Okay, here's a couple of the finds from there. Now you remember the Easter basket we just got in Crystal. You know, one of our friends said that they just got a little basket, which I thought was really cute. Of course, it was bigger than this. And anyway, this is an applied handle, little crystal Easter basket with, believe it or not, this little etched flowers trim cut on the face of this. $3. $3. Where are you gonna go? Gotta love it. Now here's another piece. This is a piece of Fenton. It's the crimped and almost thumbprint, some will call it, you know, where your thumb can fit in that depression. It's a compote, crimped, and the lip is in the amberine or amberina. Just a beauty. You'll say I'm full of baloney on this. I can't even believe it either. People walk by it like it was, you know, a dog biscuit on the floor. $3. A Fenton piece from probably the 60s, maybe 70s. $3. Unbelievable. And you know we collect red. That's why I like sharing when we do an update. It's not to show you we went and bought more, because, you know, when we go, we don't necessarily go because we need something. That's the fun. And it doesn't mean we want to spend money. We go because we're looking for the deals, like ones that jump up and slap you in the face you can't ignore and you can't leave them alone. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, the last piece of glass. See if any of you recognize this. This is spectacular to me. Now we don't have not one other piece. Well, why would you bother then? Well, we have Westmoreland, okay? Ooh, there's a tie. We can make a reason to have it because of that, but there's more than that. We just started our daughter on Carnival glass. So this is a Carnival glass. It's an older one. This is probably 30s or 40s. And it's by Westmoreland. They had a series called Peacock where, you know, there was a walking peacock stamped on the outside, but this is called Peacock because of the inside of the bowl. Just fabulous. Now, one time, I'm not saying today, because, you know, your prices go up and down like any commodity in any market. Rice, oil, wood, corn, gold, silver, aluminum, platinum, glass, collectibles, antiques. They go up and down, ebb and flow, up and down. The idea is to catch it, what? When they're down, right? I saw this bowl, and it's only about six and a quarter across. $90 they wanted for this. This has been up to $90, okay? Even at half, let's say it dropped in half and it's only worth half. I got this for $10. It's an incredible, beautiful piece. You can feather this in anywhere. Now I have an eBay buy that otherwise, how am I going to show you? Because, you know, I don't buy 10, 15 things at a time on eBay. This one is, I think you'll agree, so worthwhile. You guys know we collect Hummels. We have quite a bunch. There's over 100. There are some vinyl dolls. We did 3 videos on Hummel collections. And honestly, if you're into it at all, you know, they're cute as heck. They're on our channel. You can dig in, go back and find them. And I think they're really well done. You can actually see the pieces and what you're looking at. Now this little guy here, okay, is called the Merry Wanderer. He's like the old carpetbagger. He's got his umbrella for fall weather. He's got his salesman's bag. And he's wearing a bowler cap. Where are you gonna go? I just found him in what I thought was a vinyl doll. That's how it was advertised, okay? The Merry Wanderer. Look at this face. Now, if somebody has more resistance power than me, please tell me how you do it. Okay? Even Angela agreed. We had to have them. Now, there's always a story, so that's what I talk about with things. Inanimate things, they're like a time machine now because there's a story, right? So here's the same character in what was supposed to be a vinyl doll. $35. I thought, I don't even have to think, right? $35, it's mine. It's coming home. I get the thing home, look at the bowler hat. He must be, even though he was born in Germany, he must be living in the UK with that bowler hat. Too cute, guys. So I get him open, and it's a porcelain hands and face doll. I was really stunned. Now, either the people made a mistake or they didn't know the difference. They didn't care, but this doll is worth around $100. And if you see one for less, it's because, you know, they try to diddle you and put the shipping. They'll put the doll low to make you look at it, and then the shipping's $100. It's just stupid, right? So, not that I want to get rid of them, but just to tell you how good. Alrighty, that's the Merry Wanderer by Goebel. Okay, there is more than one thing. I can share this too. You can see this just came. Okay, so you guys know I'm always looking for a new set of dishes, at least to be able to do the 5-seater table. And you're seeing it with me, seeing it for the first time. Nice pack job. Trying to remember the amount. It's 5 or 6. I love getting an extra one. Whew. God, they're prettier than what I saw on eBay. Okay, so believe it or not, we actually made something. Leigh, L-E-I-G-H, Leigh ware. Made in USA. It's a warranted pattern in 22 karat gold trim. I'd swear this was Bavarian. Real close. But the Bavarian is a notch above in their florals and their painting. They really is. But these are wonderful. And I got a heck of a deal on them. And there's 6. Just what I love. At least 6 to make sure we always have 5. Now we're going to go over to the creme de la creme buy of that day. Okay, guys, here's the big deal of the day. This is a pair of lamps. It was in a bedroom at the estate sale on that Friday when I was going to get groceries, and you know the story. There goes the truck smelling out the estate sale. So went in. The whole house was not good. Really, the minute you step in, you know it's not good, right? Lower end, particle board furniture, blah, blah, blah. Just a very little bit that I'd be interested in. You know, no beautiful mid-century modern, no vintage collectibles worth a darn. There was a couple of things, okay? And the house was full of people. And I saw this pair of Oriental style lamps. Oh man, do I have to tell you that they came home. But they didn't come home till the next day. Because here's the tag. When I looked at it, I want you to see the actual in focus. Yep. $30 each. Each lamp. And I thought, boy, $60. I don't want to spend $60, but we only had a little, you remember, you can see it in the video, a little lamp over here. It was kind of dark. It was always dark. And you know me, a collector crazy nut job, I like pairs, especially with lamps. But so do a lot of other people. Walked away. Went back to hit that other one with Angela. She didn't even go in because she knew it wasn't good. I walked in. The lamps were still there. The only good thing in the house was still there. The junk was going out the door like it was on fire. So, tell me, how do you figure? It's okay. These came home. I'm nuts about them. And that's the latest smile on the face estate sale. Alrighty guys, so remember how we think. More is more, and more is just damn fun. Hopefully you liked our estate sale haul today. Like I say, we don't go shopping just because we got a pocket full of money. We go for deals, bargains, and if you don't go, you don't get them. You don't see them. Sometimes you don't know you need something until it's such a deal, you bring them home. Thanks, folks. Take care, and you can follow us on Instagram. Don't forget to send over a couple of subscribers. You know a couple. We'll love you forever. Be good now. And we'll see you in the next collector video.